One of the suspects in a Waupaca County deer killing case was back in court today, and based on today's ruling, he'll be back in court some more. Today's case, though, not about killing deer, but about the death of a man. Rory Kuenzi charged with the 2004 hit-and-run death of Kevin McCoy. In the criminal complaint, witnesses said Kuenzi was driving drunk when he hit McCoy, who was walking along the side of the road, and then moved McCoy's body to a ditch. Today, a Waupaca County judge ruled there is enough evidence for Kuenzi, as well as one of his friends accused of lying about what happened, to stand trial.
Fox 11's Cameron Clark was in court today and is live for us in the Valley newsroom with the latest on this story.
Well, Michelle, two witnesses testified today in court, including the man who says he was there when it happened and helped Kuenzi move McCoy's body to the ditch. It was an emotional day for friends and family of McCoy as they listened to the testimony of Adam Klotzbeker, as well as a coroner who was on scene. Klotzbeker says he was at two underage drinking parties with Kuenzi and Walter Engel that night. Klotzbeker says he was driving behind Kuenzi when he heard a loud thump, then helped Kuenzi move the body as Engel stood nearby. Engel, who was riding with Kuenzi, has told authorities they thought they hit a deer and did not stop, while the defense pointed out that Klotzbeker has changed his story while talking to investigators.
What did Mr. Kuenzi do as you were holding on to the shoulder area of this person's clothing?
He was holding on to his lower legs.
And what happened then?
We carried him into the ditch.
Where was Mr. Engel when this happened?
Standing outside the truck.
This is not the only version of these events that you've told, right?
Yes, this is not the only version.
The large impact upon the vehicle was consistent with the victim's injuries, so I concluded that it was a motor vehicle, that he died of multiple trauma from that.
Now, both Kuenzi and Engel are scheduled to be back in court February 10th. Kuenzi is currently in prison on other charges. As for the deer charges for Kuenzi and the other two men, those are currently on hold. Live in the Valley newsroom, Cameron Clark, Fox 11 News.